Macka, don't start where you can't finish. You hear?
What at a trend? Oh, the trendy dancehall. What go on, peeps? Bless up on yourself, you see me? So I the trendy dancehall back again with another latest update. So I take place in Jamaica and the Caribbean. So Amari, you see me? I look at one forward for Macka Diamond, you see me? Cause Macka Diamond and Pretti Don have a beef go on. So Macka Diamond release our song, you see me? Amari name get called in it, but I know she alone name Amari if I get the praise, me. So Amari send out her one in me, I'm making hear what Amari have to say. So I just kick back, watch a video, and you see me, just go and enjoy.
I don't understand how you and Pretti Don argue and you are going to put me in your song. Macka, don't start where you can't finish. You hear?
Yeah, guys, so that was Amari respond to our name getting called in Macka Diamond song. You see me? So the song it kinda disrespectful still after Pretti Don it Japan thing, you see me? But Macka Diamond don't state say enough people name Amari. So if Amari want to pick up that a fair business. But it's a piece of song I named Dog Don if you want to hear it.
Let's talk the dog. I can send you down a mug. Ginger flying at your drum.
That Macka Diamond, this song, you see me? To Pretti Don. But Amari want to take it up on her head, but so far Pretti Don jumping I still.
Who let the dog? Who let the dog?
Yes, so Pretti Don jumping in studio, guys, already. So right now the war kinda hot and furious. You see me? So we really just go and watch what go on. You see me? Yeah. Who do you think I go win the war? Comment down below, you see me?
Flash my hair, girl, I drop it like that. Flash, 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 flash. With my hair, girl, I 30-inch that.
Alright people, so if you wanna make it this far in the video, Spice about to talk about how she come up with the establishment or new business, Graci, Noir.
Today is gonna be a nice, simple, chill day. You can grab popcorn, you can sit down, enjoy yourself. I love you too. All you, Audrey, we can't see so good in my face. Audrey, big up your nice, clean self. Stunner girl, big up yourself. Yeah, girl, who this? Queen Melandra, big up yourself. Trudy Bling, yeah. Big up yourself with a clean hole and your clean mouth and your clean stomach. Yeah, girl. Yeah. Who's that? Renee Official, big up yourself. Norval Ray, big up yourself. Peter Gay, big up yourself. Jasmine, love you too, baby. Perry, big up yourself. Yeah. I don't know some love like life itself. Yeah, so we can go wrong tonight. First of all, welcome to my closet. I'm going to take the phone and show you around. Get comfortable. This is not a rush thing. This is popcorn behavior. This is only get popcorn and juice and sit down and enjoy the fashion show. It's all about today I launch Graci Noir. And that's my clothing line, and I'm going to explain everything to you from the process, the names. I'm also planning to do a webinar to explain to young entrepreneurs who want to get into the business, because I myself have reached closed doors, so many difficulties, and I want to encourage other black women or young people, you know, to go for their dreams. So that's gonna come after. Somebody said them have them popcorn and wine. Yeah. Hello from Panama. Panama, big up yourself. And big up the Panamanian goddess Estelita. Big up yourself. I love you, girl. So yeah, big up the people them from Panama. Rebel, you ever see me? Who that's? Rebel over here? I want my people over here. Can you partner with me, Spice? Big up yourself. I'm classy. I can partner with anybody. I'm all about making money. When I know I come out of the slum, out of the ghetto, I break down barriers, kick down door. So yeah, I'm willing for any and everything. So we could jump right into it, okay? Hello from Germany. Germany, big up yourself. Remember, I can't wait for company European tour them. Big up my dancer them, TC, Dancing Rebel, pretty. Cause you know when I come to Europe a problem. You know me, boom, I can split and jump off a box and nearly for kill all myself. Just to please on a good show. So Germany, keep yourself, big up yourself. Grenada. Alright, everybody just drop them flag and drop on the place. Don't big up everybody. Grenada, in the house. Big up on yourself, Grenada. Yeah. I wish flag that. Trinidad, big up on yourself. Look here, I want it for flag. So don't bother put the flag and put the name, because I'm not going to flag me from my own alive. Make sure to type the name of the place beside the flag. But we know Trinidad flag. Trinidad, big up yourself. We can't wait for Carnival. Somebody tell me say them cancel Carnival for Trinidad, but me no believe me want to see it for myself. I wish flag that. All the people from England, I want to take the time out to say, you know, London has always been my place. I just see the flag have to represent. You get what I'm saying? Make sure y'all stay cool over there. Y'all know it's going to get cold soon. I have all the tracksuits to keep you warm. So make sure you find yourself on www.graci.com, okay? I got a lot of tracksuits for y'all. So make sure, y'all take care of yourself. Jamaica! What up, Jamaica? Mr. Jamaica flag. Jamaica, big up yourself. Other than Leona Barnes, big up yourself from Guyana. Yeah, because you know I represent for the Caribbean straight. But you see the blood clot Jamaica flag. Anyone who see that flag, they only better respect it. Bumbo clots. That may talk. But anyway, let me go back to being my normal classic Grace Hamilton self. But me have to represent for my country. Africa, look, you hear me telling you don't drop the flag there, but enough talk where the place. I don't take the place. Which flag this? And he said, well, you know, the word black in French means noir. And I said, what? What you say? I didn't say, you know, the word black in French. It means noir. So I said, so I said, what do you mean noir? And he said, yeah, noir, that's black. So I just said, look here, me I call you back, sir. Call a couple of my friends them and say, what do you think about Graci Noir? And them say, what that mean? But I explained it to them. They was like, yeah, I like it. And so I wanted to explain to you that the word Graci Noir, it means, you know, noir means black in French. And that's why I went ahead with that name. I was having trouble with the logo, and so I sent it to my friends, to my fans on Instagram. And my fans helped me to choose the GN logo, which means Graci Noir. So when I type up some Black Lives Matter on my Instagram, but me see the black people them in the place, the powerful one, them, the beautiful one, them, the one them were proud of them color, proud of themselves, proud of them complexion, them country, everything. But of course, you know, I have fans all race, and they know that I do love and appreciate them just the same. But it's just that this present moment, we're talking about Black Lives Matters, because there's people out there who is acting like they don't know that Black lives. Oh yeah, BLM, straight. And this outfit that I'm wearing, it has the word Noir printed in the middle. I don't know if you can see it, and I want to show you the detail of it before I even go any further. But I've invited one of my models to come here inside my closet to show you, so that I can show you the piece and, you know, how it really fits, what the material is all about. And she's here with me. But the funny thing about this model, she said, you know, happy that I chose her to be one of the model, because oftentimes people don't normally, you know, look out for the fluffy them. So I'm wearing a medium in the haul. My beautiful model was wearing a similar one, but she's wearing a large. Everybody, please say hello to my beautiful model who is here with me. Is your name funny, see? She said it's Jordan, okay? Alright, so Jordan, first when I came to America, a lot of people, we had this big conflict where people don't know that as Jamaican you get called by your characteristic. So when she came on set, her name Jordan, it was difficult for me to remember. So I said, Fluffy, yeah, Fluffy, go on. And she said, what is she? Fluffy? What is that? What is she saying?
Look good, man.
say you're fucking beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Oh my God.
Them say them can't hear. Why them say them can't hear? Should I switch my phone?
When you rest your finger.
Hold on. Oh, the volume. Hold on now. I'm put my comp on the other phone because I don't have my next phone. Oh, not here now? You move your hand off of the volume right there, so. Can you hear now? Sound gone. No sound. How are this? Can't hear. Oh, can you hear now? Them say better now. Can you hear now? Okay, they say it's okay now. So is it that when I was talking about Fluffy, I'll never hear nothing? All that big introduction, them never hear? Did you hear the introduction about Fluffy? Anyway, if you didn't hear, I was introducing her and I was saying she is, they say it's back. I was introducing her and I was saying that this is one of my models, a beautiful model I have here. I didn't know her name. Her name is Jordan. And I was telling you guys that at first when I came on set, I was saying, Fluffy, come Fluffy, we heard something of them. Yes, Fluffy, you look good. And she was like, what is she saying? What does that mean? What does that mean? So I told her, I said, look here, Jamaica, I come from. It's when a nice thing, look what they shape, but they have the nice deep fish and okra body, we'll call you Fluffy. So if you hear me calling her Fluffy, it's because she is nice and beautiful and has a full figure, okay?
I need everybody to call me Fluffy. I love that. I'll take it.
All right, them say you're well trim and sturdy. All right, let's go into it. This is one of the pieces from the clothing line. If you step back a little bit. The word Noir, which means black, is right in the middle. It has a zipper that goes right around. You can wear it however you choose. And so I want to show you that, you know, if you... Hood on is a very wide, you know, sometimes you have some things and they trap the hood little bit and it can't fit by head because some of the head big. Yeah, this one, look, it has a lot of space. So, you know, it now go hard for go on your head. The beauty about this piece is that it has a zipper. Show them the detail right here. So if you, for all you ladies, if you don't want to look man now, don't want to show a little shoulder and drop off the little shoulder, in the cool time, you can zip it up. But if it's nice and so, you just zip off right here so and catch man right through. Look. It zip all the way off. And then, you know, we can shoulder for shoulder. All right? So, you can wear it however you please. Are you seeing it, ladies? I'll be laughing. Is the material thick? Okay. So someone is asking if the material thick. I was saying if you see me sweating, it's because I'm in one of my thick material. So I'm going to go ahead and try to turn this on the outside for you. If you look, you can see that this type of material is fit for the winter. So it has fleece underneath. So I'm not sure. Can you see it properly? Somebody said nice. So yeah, that means you're seeing it. That's lovely. Okay, great. So they're seeing it. So it has fleece underneath to keep you warm. So yes, it's different.
Yeah.
Nicey. All right, yeah. Okay, so this on the outside, 100% cotton. It's super soft and you know it's a great material. It's very thick. Has fleece underneath. There's pocket here on you know the upper part of the breast, and also pockets on this side. You turn your back. Turn your back so they can see. And like I said, it has the zipper all the way around for you to loosen it. So it depends on the weather outside. All right. They say yes, they love it. All right. So she's wearing this color blush. I'm wearing the same color, and this one is you know printed in pink. So I'm just throwing the pink wig. And you know wearing the same thing. So, like I said, all the names on the site, what's the name for this, Leona? All the name on the site is from my Jamaican language, my Jamaican dialect. So don't worry if you can't pronounce the name. As long as you see the clothes, you can order it. But I'm going to tell you the name of this one on the site that I'm wearing. What's the name of this tracksuit, Leona? I need my other cell phone so I can bring it up too on the website. Come on, them know the name. I think this name, Talk Your Mind. I think this is called Talk Your Mind. Somebody can tell me, but I think on the website, I'm going to look real quick and tell you the name so that I can change and put on something else. So if you go on www.brassenoir.com, this one is called Talk Your Mind. You see this? You see this? Which one? And what's hers? So my assistant said this one is called, you see this? So it's YUHSEEDISS. Patois where I deal with right shoe. You know me not stop represent my country and where I come from because I never forget where I'm coming from. So this one is called You See This. So if you go up on somebody say talk your mind. Alright. Them know the things them. Somebody say talk your mind. So one name talk your mind and one name You See This. So we're gonna change real quick. If you don't see us on camera, that means we're changing. Big up on yourself. All